Alright, y'all, so this is a cooking video, of course, as you can see. Today, we're gonna make something that I make for my family when family is sick. And this is called Caldo De Pollo. So, Mexican chicken soup is pretty much what it is. And my husband absolutely loves it when he's sick. So here's all the ingredients you're gonna need: onion, potato, tomato, chicken broth, chicken legs or chicken thighs, bone and skin on, celery, jalapeno, carrots, and chayote. In place of chayote, you can use zucchini as well. So we're gonna come over here. I was making coffee, as you can see, this morning. So our first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the burner on high for now. We're gonna add our thing of chicken broth. Some people don't do it with chicken broth. I do. I think it adds extra flavor, but that's just me. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab some water. This is probably about 3 cups right there. I'm going to add 2 of those, so 6 cups. 5 to 6 cups. We'll put it that way. So there's that. The next thing I'm going to do is add, let's see, some pepper, black pepper, ooh, not that much, probably about half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then some Mexican oregano. Make sure it's Mexican oregano. About 1/4 of a teaspoon. And last but least, Caldo De Pollo or chicken bouillon. And you're going to go about a teaspoon of that for now. And then the next thing you're going to do is, now, my husband does not like onion, but you need the flavor of the onion. You do. Like, it's a necessity. So we're going to take half of a small onion, and I'm just going to cut it up like that and drop it in there. Try not to splash everything everywhere. I'm going to take about 5 cherry tomatoes, or about half a Roma tomato, and throw that in there. Because this is, you're going to cook this for a long time, y'all. Like a long time. And then I take half of a jalapeno, I cut it in half, and I throw that in there as well. Next is going to be your chicken. You're going to wait to put the vegetables for a little bit, because it takes the chicken a while to cook. See, so we're just going to throw in chicken legs, just like that. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna do 8 of them. 7, 8. And you're gonna let that sit there and cook for about 30 minutes before you add in any of the vegetables. So see you back here in 30 minutes when that has cooked for a while, and I'll show you what to do next. Alright y'all, so here's where we're at. We have our chicken. If your tomatoes have not popped, take them and push them up against the side of the pan and pop them. See, we've got some that haven't. Or if you don't want to do that, you can take your knife and squish them. You want to pop them so all that juice gets out in the broth. So what we're going to do now is we are going to add all of our vegetables minus the broccoli. I don't think I'm going to add the broccoli because I got to thinking and I'm like, oh, I don't know if he'll want the broccoli, and he's at work, so I can't ask him. This is for him to take with him when he's at work. I could eat this as without potatoes, but with the potatoes in it, I can't eat it. So we're just making this for the hubby, for him to take while he's at work. That was about a half a package, by the way. So half a pound of carrots, 2 celery, 3 potatoes, and 1 chayote. And that's literally it. See, there's our jalapeno. You can leave the jalapeno out if you don't like it spicy. My husband likes it spicy, like really spicy, y'all. So not only am I going to add a jalapeno, I have some chili arbos right here, and I'm going to add one of those as well. And we're going to let that boil till your carrots and your potatoes are fork tender. So I'll see you back here when that's done. Alright y'all, so still have that on. We're going to shut that off. I'm going to show you. So when you see that the chicken is pulling away from the bone, you see that that's done. The chayote is the same. The carrots. Yeah. Anyways, see, the carrots are done. You're gonna serve it up. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Now, I usually serve it in a bowl with rice. Mexican rice on the bottom. I don't have that today. You just scoop you some veggies and some chicken and some chayote. Ooh, that's hot. And some broth and deliciousness in there. Let's get a piece of celery. And y'all, that is Caldo De Pollo. I hope you all enjoy. Let me know what you think.